Hello YouTube, my name is Frank with Lightning Force Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to be able to control and adjust the surround settings on your JVC THG30 or THG40 using the ANYMOTE app. Now a lot of you do know that many people have had a difficult time finding the original remote for their old AV receiver, and therefore what everybody wants to do is be able to adjust the surround sound settings on this receiver, but could not do it with any universal remote. So I'm going to show you something that's actually works quite well and will allow you to adjust the sound on this old receiver, which still sounds pretty decent. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and find yourself an older Android phone that has the RF radio frequency capability. This is a Galaxy Note 3. I believe the Galaxy S models, a lot of the older ones, has the RF on it, and a lot of the newer phones don't have it, so you might need an adapter to have the RF capability. So basically what you want to do is just go to your Google Play Store, make sure you have a Google Play account, and then you want to find ANYMOTE, or just Google search infrared remote control. And in my case, I went ahead and installed ANYMOTE, which allows you to use one remote control for free with ads, but works quite well. Once you've installed ANYMOTE, Universal Remote, you want to go ahead and open that. And in my case, I've already named my remote, which works really well. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and hit the plus sign to add a remote, and you can add the remote here. Okay, you're going to get ads on this app unless you subscribe for, right now it's $6.99. Once you've opened the app, you'll see a whole bunch of devices here. You want to choose audio video system. After that, it wants you to type your brand. So go ahead and type in JVC, and you want to select audio video system. Now I want you to type in your model. As discussed, even though I have a THG30, I do know that the THG40 works the exact same way. So THG40. I'm going to select a newer one because I know I'm going to have a better chance finding a compatible remote with a slightly newer system. Let this load for a little bit. It'll find a bunch of compatible devices. Now I'm going to see different devices with a percentage chance of actually working. What I want to do is I want to select THG40, even though it has a less chance than all THG series. Go ahead and hit OK. Okay, now we've got this remote, JVC RX 8010 RBK. Let's see if it works. Looks like the volume works. But what about the surround? I want to slide to the right, scroll down, and I'm going to see surround on and off, which I know it's not going to do anything. I'm looking for a surround button. It just says surround. Anybody see it? Nothing. So I want to go ahead and hit the next remote. I don't like it. See if the volume still works. Volume works. Slide to the right, and there's a surround button. Let's see if it works. There it is. It works. I like this remote. I want to keep it. Now it's asking me to name the remote. I'll just go ahead and name it THG30. And save. There's my new remote. Now that's how you install a universal remote for your old school THG30 or 40 home theater system. And as you can see, you're able to adjust the surround settings on this without having to spend $100 for a classic remote. My name is Frank with Lightning Force Productions. Make sure you subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching.